everyone. Welcome back to Mr. English Flow channel, where learning English is easy, fun, and practical. I'm Emily.
Hey guys, I'm Henry. Welcome back, learners all around the world. We are really happy to have you here learning English together with us.
Today we are talking about how to use the word do. We will practice listening, learn useful phrases, and have a fun conversation.
Are you ready? Let's begin. Do is one of the most important words in English. We use it all the time, but it can be confusing. Today, we will make it very simple.
First, do is an action word, a verb. It means to perform an action or to complete something, like do homework, do exercise, or do the dishes.
Exactly. But do has another even bigger job. It is a helping verb, an auxiliary verb. We use it to make questions and negatives.
Yes, that is the tricky part for many learners. So let's slow down and look at the present time first.
In the present time, we have two forms, do and does. Emily, can you tell me when we use does?
We use does for he, she, or it. One person, one thing. So, I do, you do, we do, they do. But he does, she does, it does.
My cat does. The computer does. Now let's make a question. Emily, how do you ask me about my job?
I ask, what do you do?
Great question. And I answer, I am a teacher. For questions with I, you, we, they, we start with do. Do you like movies? Do they live here?
And for he, she, it, we start with does. Does he like movies? Does she live here? Does it work?
Now, how do we answer these questions? We use short answers. We use do or does again. Yes, I do. No, I don't. Yes, she does. No, she doesn't.
Don't is short for do not. Doesn't is short for does not. So for negatives in the present, I don't like, you don't like, we don't like, they don't like. Let's practice. Henry, ask me if I drink tea.
Do you drink tea?
Yes, I do. I drink tea every morning.
Now ask me if my brother drinks tea.
Does your brother drink tea?
No, he doesn't. He only drinks coffee.
Perfect. So let's remember, do is for I, you, we, they, and does is for he, she, it. That is the only difference. Very simple.
And in negatives, I don't, you don't, we don't, they don't. But he doesn't, she doesn't, it doesn't. Always doesn't for he, she, it.
Exactly. Say it with me. Do, don't, does, doesn't. Beautiful. Good. Now let's talk about the past time. This is actually easier. We only use one word, did, for everyone.
I did, you did, he did, she did, it did, we did, they did. Everyone uses did in the past. So for past questions, we start with did for everyone. Did you eat breakfast? Did she call you? Did they finish the work?
And for short answers in the past, yes, I did. No, I didn't. Yes, they did. No, they didn't.
Didn't is short for did not, and didn't is for everyone too. I didn't eat. You didn't eat. She didn't eat. We didn't eat. Simple. Emily, did you go to the park yesterday?
No, I didn't. I stayed home. Did you cook dinner last night?
Yes, I did. I cooked soup. It was delicious.
Oh, nice. Now, one very important thing about did. When we use did in a question or negative, the main verb goes back to its simple form. Listen carefully.
For example, she does her homework. That is present. But in the past, did she do her homework? Not did she does. No, we say did she do. The main verb becomes simple again.
That is a very common mistake. So always remember, after did, the verb is simple. Did you go? Did she eat? Did they finish? Never did you went, did she ate. Always simple form.
Exactly. Did you go, not did you went. Did she eat, not did she ate. Say it again. Did you go? Did she eat? Did they finish? Perfect.
Now let's look at the future time. For the future, we use will do. Will is for the future.
I will do, you will do, he will do. Everyone uses will do. I will do my homework tomorrow. She will do the presentation next week. They will do the project on Friday.
For questions in the future, we start with will. Will you help me later? Will she do the report? And the short answer is, yes, I will, or no, I won't. Won't means will not.
So we have present, do and does, past, did, future, will do. Let's do a quick summary together.
Present question. Do you like coffee? Past question. Did you like the coffee? Future question. Will you drink coffee tomorrow?
Present negative. I don't like tea. Past negative. I didn't like the tea. Future negative. I won't drink tea tomorrow.
Beautiful. Now, there is one more important thing. We use do for emphasis to make a sentence stronger.
For example, I do like your cooking, even if you look a little doubtful. Or, I did finish my work. When someone doesn't believe you, we say do or did with more force in our voice. It adds feeling and strength to the sentence.
Exactly. I do love this song. She did try her best. They do care about you. It is a beautiful and natural way to speak English.
Let's have a real conversation now and use do naturally. Emily, what did you do this morning?
This morning I did a lot. First, I did some exercise.
Oh, you did. What kind of exercise did you do?
I did some stretching. Then I did a short workout video. It was hard, but I felt great after.
Good for you. I did not do exercise today. I wanted to sleep more. What did you do after that?
I made breakfast. Then I did a little reading. What did you do instead of exercise?
I made a big breakfast, but I didn't do the dishes. I left them in the sink. I will do them later. Do you think that's bad?
No, I don't. I do that all the time. My kitchen is a mess sometimes too.
Oh, good. I feel better now. Do you do the dishes every day?
I try to, but honestly, sometimes I don't. Life is busy.
Did you notice something? In that conversation, we used do in so many ways. Past, what did you do? Present, do you do the dishes? Future, I will do them later. And even negative, I didn't do the dishes.
One small word, so many uses. That is why do is one of the most important words in English. Once you understand it, your English will feel so much more natural. Now, let's look at some essential everyday phrases that use do. These are phrases you will hear and use all the time in real life.
First, how do you do? This is a formal way to say hello when you meet someone for the very first time. The answer is often, how do you do, back, or I'm doing well, thank you.
Next, what do you do? This simply means, what is your job? You can answer, I'm a teacher, or I'm a student, or I work in a hospital.
Then, what can I do for you? This means, how can I help you? You will hear this in shops, offices, and restaurants. It is a very polite and useful phrase.
You can do it. When someone is trying something difficult, we encourage them with this phrase. It means, I believe in you. You are strong enough. Keep going.
Do your best. This is a phrase for advice and encouragement. It means, try as hard as you can. Don't worry about being perfect. Just do your best and that is enough.
We also use do for many everyday activities at home. Do the ironing. Do the cleaning. Do the laundry. Do the dishes. Do the vacuuming. All of these are do, not make.
And here is a useful one. Do me a favor. This is a very common way to ask for help. Can you do me a favor and pass the salt? Or, could you do me a favor and send me that file?
And finally, well done. When someone does something good, we praise them with well done. You pass a test? Well done. You finish a difficult project? Well done. You speak English bravely today. Well done.
Now let's do a quick vocabulary review before we say goodbye. First word, chore. A chore is a small job, usually at home. It is not fun, but you have to do it. Doing the laundry, doing the dishes. These are all chores.
Next, errand. An errand is a short trip to do one specific thing. You go to the post office to send a letter. That is an errand. I need to run some errands today. Or, I have a few errands to do this afternoon.
We really did a complete tour of this little word today. We did the present. We did the past. We did the future. We did questions. We did negatives. We did emphasis.
Remember, you don't need to do everything perfectly. Just try to do a little English every single day. Small steps do big things. We promise. Now, here is our question of the day for you. What is one thing you always do on Monday mornings? Do you drink coffee? Do you go for a walk? Do you make a plan for the week?
Please write your answer in the comments below. We read every single comment, and we would love to connect with you. Your answer might even help other learners too.
Thank you so much from the bottom of our hearts for spending your time with us today. You learned so much, and we are really proud of you.
If this lesson was helpful, please give it a big thumbs up. It really helps our channel grow and lets us make more free lessons for you every week.
And please subscribe to Mr. English Flow so you never miss a new lesson. Just hit that subscribe button. It is completely free, and it means the world to us.
Keep practicing every single day. Even just 5 minutes of English every day makes a huge difference. You are doing amazing. Just keep going.
We will see you in the very next video. Until then, stay happy, stay curious, and keep learning English.
Keep practicing. Bye for now.
Bye-bye. See you soon.